Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Now, your sister, your girl, your friend, Business Vera TV show, alas, aka Sharon Store, the way we want to find. Now, me they do everything. I me they talk. If no matter go with I will in with my hand. That is why that name they exist. I they do all things with heart. I fear no evil. I fear no bangad. Anything at all. If you called me, I go there for you. Mota, if no ma go nya, if no ma go nya, o ma go nya if I dey do things with my heart, with all might. I no fear no bangad. What you make me come out this afternoon, can't talk my people. Now afternoon I did so. I get friend. A friend who call herself my friend. So what you make me to this thing come? I want to advise people. Now where they make friend, now where they do friend. Me I know the kind of friend when they follow. Me I know the kind of friend when they do. If you know they make friend, I know the kind of friend when they follow. It's not good. So I know the kind of friend when they follow. Just like our two of our beautiful sisters. What you happen to them? Now be this one so. You know, say if they do something, your friend not happy for what you they do. You can never happy for what you are doing. No matter what you will do, she will never be happy with you. No matter what you will do, she will never be happy. Rather not be two friends, not the worker. You the better. He not the better. Or rather, what you they do? She they try to meet up with you, but she cannot get there. She will not be happy with you. Anything what she they do, she just believe on herself. Anything what she do, you not fit one. She go say, and this can't now they find. But if you they do, she not forget her. Hey, you go say, I take her. After all, now she, in fact, now she even know that will not be my problem. The reason why I say this thing hurt my people, not my friend. A girl who call herself a friend to me. I make a video. I not talk to her. I not call her name. My man not even go anything concerning her at all. Because two of us will not get quarrel. We know the quarrel. We just a friend of when we see each other, half far. That kind of a friend we have. We know the quarrel. We know the fight. I know the against her. I know the jealous her. I know they do anything. She they live her life and they live my life. We know they did together. We'll be friends. We'll be say, babe, afa. And they can't friend what will be not be that. So the reason why I talk this thing come out, Aush na YouTuber. She's a YouTuber. If I don't talk and come out, she's 3 days. I don't want to talk and come out. The reason why I thought this thing come out. I can't make a video. Now she play me record. What even play me past my people. I don't get problem with her. She play me record. The next thing she say, if I not take time, she go carry my matter, go give Monica. Make it disguagua me. Where are you going? Carry my matter, go give Monica. Make she disguagua me. My people, I won't make you not help me beg her. Make she carry my matter, go give Monica. Make Monica for disguagua me. No, it shall be disguagua. Now what thing I define, I be that, my people. I for not talk and come out. I not offend her. I not do anything. Me I not get problem. The next thing where she play for me is if I make her a gift, if I make pay me again. If I do any live video, she'll carry my matter, go give Monica. My people, I bet make you the wash, my fans, my followers, my family. Make you just the wash. And I expect from Monica, make she carry my matter, go give her. You know how I made Monica not call me say, my sister, Business Vera, what happened between you and this girl? Maybe she feel ask me. Maybe she feel not see ask me. So now what I dey wait? Make you ask me. I make a video, I not talk to her. Me I not get quarrel, we not get problem. Make you ask me what make her carry my matter, see what kind of matter go give Monica. Say I talk for live, say I talk for YouTube, I talk for live video. Now what I get to say be that for today. Happy Sunday everyone. Thank you all. Thank you all for your watching. Please share this video. I want to make this video go viral. But if you get friend when they do something, that friend, not the like what you they do. So anything they do, you just the verse on you. You go the verse for you because why she not feel be like you. According to people, they say if you cannot join them, if you cannot be there, you join them. If you cannot be there, you join them. So she cannot join you, she cannot be like you, she cannot beat you. So what she will do, she'll be angry with you, whatever you are doing. My people, I'm going to share this video. Thank you all for your watching. One love. I see your sister, your girl, your friend. Shadow stop doing one of us. Danny, I know the true. Who they cry, go they cry. Who they fall, who they fall. I see the men. Now where I did, now I did. I know they go back. I know they fear any bastard. You know, bring me call Europe. I know bring you call Europe. I know they fear you. This is the issue of between friends. Make us judge this matter. I make video. I not talk to her. We not get quarrel. We just a nice friend. A friend that will be the next day she play me record. She say a lot of cheese at the record. My people, if you want to play, if you want to watch that record, subscribe to my channel. You will hear the voice record from me. You will hear the voice record from me. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my YouTube, Business Weather TV show. You will hear everything what she say. I am sharing that video. I am going to share that voice record until she call Monica, for Monica to insult me before I go share that record, go everywhere. That is my whole statement today. I thank you all. Please share this video. I am waiting for you all. Thank you so much. I love you all. One love.